There's a moment every trader hits where nothing works anymore. Not the strategies, not the entries, not even the discipline. And that's where most people think they just need something new. But to be honest, guys, you're not losing because of your strategy. You're losing because you keep lying to yourself. And deep down, you know it. If I sat next to you during your trades, right, you wouldn't be able to explain half of them to me. And the truth is, you're not hiding it from anyone else, right? You're hiding it only from yourself. Most traders think profitability comes from the right model, the right setup, the right mentor. But after years in the game, guys, wins, losses, setbacks, streaks, I can tell you something that most people do not want to hear. That's not what's stopping you, okay? It's self awareness because trading at its core is you versus you, okay? No team, no one to carry you, no one to blame long term. Just you, your decisions, your habits, your discipline, and every single time you lie to yourself, you're the one that pays for it, right? Not the market, you, okay? Now, I've been trading for a long time. I've been trading for over 7 years now. I've been living profitably from it, from solely trading for about 3 to 4 years, maybe even more now. I don't know the exact days to be completely honest with you. And the one thing that truly changed like everything instantly was when I was like, wait a second, I'm fucking lying to myself. This is not going well. This and this and this is the issue, and I need to do this and this to fix it. Because when you stop believing your own fucking lies, everything flows so much smoother, guys. You guys have no fucking idea, right? You know the lies too. You've said them before. We all have. Okay. I just got unlucky. Nope, you didn't, bud. You chased, you were late, you saw price move, and you couldn't accept missing it. And who pays for that? It's you. You do. It's you, bro. Like, the market manipulated me? No. Okay. The market did what it always does. It moved. You reacted poorly and you reacted without discipline. And who paid for it again? You paid for it, right? And when I say you, I don't want you guys to take it personally. It was me. I was there too, okay? It's normal. Like we all go through it. It's just there has to be a moment where you're like, okay, this shit. Like I've taken enough beatings in my life to know that this does not work out, and I need to fix this and this. Journal it, change it, fix it, do anything you want, but please, God, stop lying to yourself, okay? You're gonna tell yourself, I followed my plan. Did you? Or did you just adjust your rules just enough, right? So you don't have to feel wrong. Because that lie does not protect you, it actually traps you. Okay, it was an A plus setup. No. It was a moment you didn't want to sit through. Okay, so you labeled it A plus to justify the action, and you sent the trade anyways. Okay, it's easy to call a trade A plus when you start looking at very little components. Okay, and that's the dangerous part. Every lie that you tell yourself in trading does not fool the market. Okay, it builds a version of you that stays stuck. Okay, because you keep believing the lie and you build on the lies and you build on shitty fucking ground, and then you keep building and you keep building, and at some point it's all gonna come crashing down. And the higher it went, the more fucked you're gonna be. Trust me, okay? I waited way too long to fix my mistakes, okay? I became profitable, started living off trading 3 years into my journey. It could have been so much faster than that. And by so much, I don't mean 6 months. I don't mean like a year and a half, 2 years. I could have done it, right? Anyways, your ego wants comfort, right? It tells you you're close. You almost have it. It's just bad luck, right? It protects how you feel, but it also destroys how you perform because trading does not reward comfort, okay? It rewards truth. And reality is you overtrade, you force entries, you break your own rules, you trade when you shouldn't. And every time you do that, you are not fighting the market, you're fighting yourself, right? And the hardest part, right? You know, you feel it before you click. That hesitation, that quiet voice, this is not it. You know in your head you're thinking, "Oh, maybe I should just get off the charts." And you do it anyways. That's the battle, okay? It's not you versus the market, it's you versus you. And every time you ignore that little voice in your head, you lose twice, the trade and a piece of your discipline, right? And I could go even further than that, say you lose your time, you lose fucking so much, right? Everything changed for me when I stopped trying to win trades, okay? I started trying to be honest. I stopped asking, did I make money? And I started asking myself, did I lie to myself today? Did I make up some bullshit reason, right? Why did I take this trade? Really, why did I take this fucking trade right here? Was it my setup? Was it my emotion disguised as logic? And sometimes the answer exposes me, right? And it hurts. And that's where the growth is, right? It's kind of like when you go to the gym, right? You're not gonna get no growth if you don't break the muscle, if you don't hurt them a little bit. You gotta stop sabotaging yourself, guys. And suddenly, it's no longer you versus the market. It's you finally working with yourself because it doesn't have to be you versus you. It could be you with you, right? It could be you with yourself, fucking pushing each other up. Self awareness is very, very simple, you guys, but it requires accountability. It's calling yourself out, owning your mistakes, refusing to justify bad decisions because no one else is in that trade with you. No one else feels that hesitation you're feeling. No one else presses that button. So no one else can fix it. Okay? It's only you. And once you start being honest, you break the cycle. And until then, you'll just repeat it. Okay, you don't need another strategy. You don't need another indicator. You don't need another shortcut. You need to stop lying to yourself because every time you do, you're not hurting the market. You're not hurting anyone else. You're hurting your own progress. You're delaying your own growth. You're wasting your own time. And one day you'll realize the thing that you were gambling was never money. It was you against you, and you kept choosing the wrong side. Time does not come back, guys. And please, oh please, again, I can't say it enough. I've been there. We've all been there, okay? And the reason why I made this video is to I need to hit you where it hurts. I need you to wake up. I need to poke you until you get pissed off at me and you start actually working on that, because until you do, you're on step 1 of profitability. And the rest can only unlock it once you've passed this step. Because if you never get past this step, you can never know what's on the other side of that door. Because the truth is, if you keep lying to yourself, keep making up excuses, keep lying to everybody that you know, okay, you can't really grow in the space, okay? So I need to hurt you just enough, just a little bit for you to like go, okay, yeah, no, he's right. I'll do this and I'll do that. And believe me, guys, if you guys do need help, I'm there. You guys can DM me, you guys can message me. Anybody that's in my free Discord knows I always answer as fast as possible. I'm basically there 24/7. I will help you. I will answer your questions. I will be there for you. And if you guys have any questions, you can drop them in the comments below too. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.